so good to be back doing this with you guys, and I'm so sorry for not sharing on this community. Anyway, I want to wish you guys a happy 2019. Oh my god, this year is gonna be so amazing. I have so much to share with you guys. This is an effect I like using on fashion edits that I do, just using the masking tool you get on your editing software. Well, let's get straight to the computer and show you guys how to achieve this. Before you have your video on your timeline that you'll be working on. By the way, this was shot with the GH5 that I own. First step will be going under generators, and then over there you'll find solids. You click on solids and then you'll find custom over there. You drag on top of the video that you want to work on. And usually I like mine to last for just 10 or 15 frames. It all depends on how long you want the effect to last. For it to be very easy for us to work on, you just change the opacity to 50% so you can see the video and the custom bar. So you have something like this already. Let's close this so we can have a full view of it. The next step will be going under the effect search box. You search for mask, and then under mask you choose draw mask. You just drag on the custom solids, so you have something like this. Now the next step will be making the points. For it to be very easy, we just change this size to 25% so we can see exactly where we want the point to be at. And you just go under transforms, you click on all this so you can make a keyframe under all of them. Now we can go and make our points. You just make 3 points. You make one here, one on this side, one on this side, and then you close it this way. So now we have our first point, and then you go to the middle of the custom solids, and then from there you just drag this downwards. And usually, for me to be very sure, I just go back and see if it really worked. And you can see from here it did not, so you just have to do it manually again. You just drag it backwards, and then we go to the next keyframe, and then you can see that now it works. And then we'll go to the last keyframe, and then you just drag this point upwards this way. So now we have something like this. Let me make it big so you can see exactly. Yeah. So from here you can just tweak it and make it to your own taste. You just go to this side, and then you can change the colors from here depending on how you want it to be. You can go extremely to some crazy colors. So now let me just choose something like this and see how it works. So yeah, the second one will be just, let's go back to this side. So the second one could be you just using another video on top of it. So you just follow the same steps. You drop the second video on top of the first video. Let me just delete this. So you just make the same keyframes that you want it to show. Let's cut this side off. So now you have something like this already. So the same steps as we did for the first one. I would be fast with this, so just follow me. So then you get something like this using the second video for this effect. So there you go, guys. Very easy and simple to achieve using any editing software out there. And if you guys really enjoyed this quick and short tutorial, I would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button down there, and also to drop your comment in the comment box below if you would like to see more of these short tutorials in the future. Anyway, as usual, stay safe and be creative.